Okay, go ahead, explain.
You know, your spark plugs go in here.
Yeah, we just saw those. Those are the wires going in. Yeah.
Now.
Oh wait, are these, let me guess, rocker arms?
There you go.
Whoa, I am good.
There you
Rocker
go.
arms.
Okay.
What are these things? These are the pistons?
No. This is your valve is here. This is your valve
That's
stem
a valve?
comes up through here. This is your valve spring.
This is, yeah, it looks like a spring. Valve spring.
Right.
Okay, rocker arms.
Right. Now from here, you got a push rod. It goes all the way
I've heard
down.
of push rods. They're pushing the piston down into the...
No.
Okay, I'll listen.
Your push rod is about the size of a pencil, a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And it goes from here, down through here, comes out down here below, and it goes down to your camshaft. The camshaft rotates, pushes on the push rod. The push rod pushes up on the rocker arm. That makes this go down and push the valve open.
Why don't we just push on this side? Why does it have to go around here and there and there and up?
Because your camshaft is what pushes up on this, actually, through the push rod to make your valve open when it's supposed to.
Okay, yeah, the camshaft has ridges.
That's that long thing with lobes on it, like.
Yeah, because so it goes up and down in different ways.
Right. And the high performance camshaft is ground with a longer radius on the lobe, and it's higher, so it pushes on this higher, and
so
it holds.
So you get more
fuel,
displacement.
More fuel, because it holds the valve open for a longer duration.
So while the valve is open, the fuel's going in.
Right,
Okay.
Right. So your high performance camshafts hold the valves open longer because it's the way the lobes are ground.
So
on
the chamber
cam.
fills with gasoline, then the spark, then it explodes.
Right.
And you get your power.
Right.
It pushes the piston back down into the chamber.
Right.
Okay. I think I got it. I'll have to watch the video a few times.
And you have both. You have an intake valve and an exhaust valve. This one here is your exhaust valve, because this is where your exhaust pipe goes.
Right.